Good morning, students. Today I will teach you chapter number 6, Factors and Multiples, activity 4. In this activity, we will do new topic, that is LCM. You know what is LCM? L stand for least, C stand for common, and M stand for multiples. So LCM of two or more number is the smallest number, means you have to find the smallest number which is a multiple of each of the numbers. Clear? And student, there are two methods of finding LCM. In firstly, we do prime factorization method. This prime factorization method you already done in HCF. Clear? So in LCM also you will use prime factorization method. So today student, we will do prime factorization method and common division method. Today we do both the method. So firstly we will discuss prime factorization method. See this example here written, find the LCM of 40, 36 and 84 by the prime factorization method. So student, what you have to do? You have to write down the factors of each number. Firstly, I will find out the factor of 40. How I will find out? I will write down 40 and I will think in which table 40 come. But keep one thing in mind, you have to see the prime number. So prime number is 2, which divides 40 completely. So you will write 2 in the side, and in 2 table 40 comes at which position? It comes at 20, because 2 20s are 40. So 20 will be written down of 40. Now student, you have to see where 20 comes. 20 comes in 2 table also, 5 table also, 10 table also. But you will take 2 or 5. Here I have taken 2. So you will write 2 and you have to see in which place 20 come. It comes at 10. So you will write 10 down of 20. Clear? Quotient will come down of dividend. Clear? So you will write 10 down of 20. Then you have to see in which table 10 come. It comes in 2 table. You write 2 here and 5 you will write down of 10. Clear? Because 2 5s are 10. Now you have to see where 5 comes. 5 comes in 5 table at 1s. So you will write 5 over here and 1 down. Clear? Now you have to stop, because when the quotient come 1, we have to stop there. Clear? Now we will do 36. Prime factorization, we will find out 36. How? Firstly, I have written 36. Then I will see in which table 36 come. 2 table. So you write 2 here and then you see the position where 36 come. So what you do? You will divide 36 by 2 in the rough column and then write 18. Clear? 18 you will write down of 36. Clear? Now you will see where the 18 come in 2 table. It comes at 9. So you will write 2 here and 9 down of 18. Clear? Because quotient come this side and prime numbers always come this side. Clear? Then you have to see in which table 9 come. It comes in 3 table. You write 3 over here and quotient will come this side. 3 3s are 9. Now you have to see where 3 come. 3 comes at 3s are. 3 1s are 3. So you will stop here. Now you have to find out the factors of 84. Now you again start from 2, because 2 is the smallest even prime number. So 2 table 84 comes at 42. How I know? I divide in the rough. So you also divide in a rough. Make a column in your copy and start doing. So 240s are 242s are 84. So you write 42 down of 84. Now you have to see where 42 comes in 2 table. Again you divide. Then you get quotient 21. Quotient 21 you have to write down of 42. So you have written. Now you have to see in which table 21 come. It comes at 3 and 7 both. But I have taken 3. It's your wish. If you want 7, you can take 7 also. In 3 table, 21 come at which position? At 7. So 7 as a quotient I have written here. Now you have to see in which table 7 comes. 7 ones are 7. So you will stop now. Now see student, all the prime factor of every number I have written like this manner. These are called prime factors. So 40 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Clear? Then you write of 36. Then you write of 84. Now you have to find firstly 2. 2 in which number it comes maximum times. See, in 40 2 comes 3 times. In 36 2 comes 2 times. In 84 2 comes 2 times. So maximum in which number 2 come? In 40. So how many times it come? 3 times. So you write 3 times 2's in LCM. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 40 comes how many times? 4 times. So you write 4 times 2 over here. Clear? Now you see next number. Next number is 3. In which number 3 comes maximum time? In 40 there is no 3. In 36 there are 2 3's. And in 84 there are only 1 3. So maximum 3 is in 36. How many there are? 2. So you write 2 3. Clear? You copy down both the 3 in the LCM. Clear? Now you see the next number. Next number is 5. Now you see 5 maximum in which number? In 40. How many times? 1 time. So you copy that 5 here. Then 7 also. Then copy them. Then you multiply all these number. You will get 2520. Clear? Now see question number 1. A part I have done for you. Find the LCM by prime factorization of 24 and 36. How we will do? Prime factorization, you have to find out the factors like this manner. Firstly of 24 and then of 36. How? See, 24 I have written. Then I see in 2 table where 24 come at 12. Clear? Then in 2 table 12 come at 6. So you write 6 here. Then you see in 2 table 6 come at 3. So you write 3 in the quotient. Then you will see in which table 3 come at 1. So you write 1 down of 3. Clear? Same manner you will do of 36. Clear? After that you will write the factors like this manner. Clear? Now you will see 2 comes maximum in which number? In 24 how many times 2 come? 4 times. 1, 2, 3. How many times it come? 2 times it come. And 36 you will see how many times 2 come? Only 2 times. Clear? So in which number you get maximum? 2 in 24. How many 2's are there? 3. So you copy down all that 2's. 1, 2 and 3. So all that 3 2's from 24 I have copied down in the LCM. Clear? Now you will find out maximum number of 3 comes in which number? In 24 3 comes only 1 time. In 36 3 comes how many times? 2 times. So you will copy down both the 3 in the LCM. See 1 and 2 3. So 2 3 I have taken from 36. Clear? Now you multiply all these number, you will get 72. Clear? Now we will do 12, 18, 24 and 36 by prime factorization method. Firstly, I have find out the factors of 12. Clear? Then I find out the factors of 18. Then I find out the factors of 24. Clear? Then I find out the factors of 36. Clear? So now I will write down all the factors of each number. Firstly, I have written the factors of 12. Then I have written of 18. Then of 24. Then of 36. Clear? Now we will see firstly 2. In which number 2 come maximum time? In 12 2 comes 2 times. In 18 2 comes 1 time. In 24 2 comes 3 times. And in 36 2 comes 2 times. So maximum 2 comes in 24. How many they are? 3. So you copy down all these 3 2's in LCM. See, I have done. Clear? Now, you have to find out the maximum 3 comes in which table. 12, 3 come only 1. 18, 2. 24, 1. 36, 2, 3. So, student, you can take 2 3's from any number, whether from 18 or from 36. So, I am taking from 18. It is a same thing. You can take from any number. 18 से भी ले सकते हो or you can take from 36 also. So, I am taking from 18. So, 3 into 3. Clear? Now, you multiply all these number, you will get 72. Clear? Now, we will do common division method. Find the LCM of 36, 40, 15 by common division method. Means all the numbers you will take together. Even last time I told you this thing how to do. Even your class teacher whosoever taught you last time, they told you how to do this. Firstly, you write 36, 40 and 50. Now you have to do what? You have to firstly solve 3 numbers together. If you will see in which all these 3 numbers come. If 3 number is not possible, then you will see 2 number should be divisible by 1 number. Clear? So here, see, we will see 36 and 40 comes in one table. Clear? That is 2. So I have taken 2 as a prime number and start dividing it. 2 18s are 36. Then in 2 table 40 comes at 20s are. In 2 table 15 is not coming. So I copy down 15 as it is. Clear? 15 will come as it is because it is not coming in 2 tables. So you copy down. Now you will see 18 and 20 again come in 2 table. You take 2 in the side and you will see in 2 table 18 comes at 9. So you write down 9 down of 18. Then you will see in 2 table 20 comes at 10. So you write 10 down of 20. Now you see 15 comes in 2 table. No. So you copy down 15 as it is. Clear? Now 9, 10 and 15. Now tell from these 3 numbers, all the numbers come in any one table? No. 2 numbers can come? Yes. And now 9 and 15s come in which table? That is 3. So I have taken 3 in the side. Now in 3 table 9 comes at 3s. 3 table 10 come? No. 10 I have written as it is. In 3 table 15 comes? Yes. At 5s. So I have written 5. Now see 3, 10 and 5. Any 3 numbers come in a one table? No. 2 numbers come? Yes. So in which table? 5. 5 I have written in the side. 3 I copy down as it is because 3 is not coming in any table. Comma. Then 5 2s are 10. So 2 I have written and 1s are. Now student, 3, 2, 1. All these numbers not come in same table. So what do? You will do the product of the divisor. Divisor are this one. Divisor and undivided number. You have to multiply this one number and this one number. And then you get the LCM. Means 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 2. When you multiply it, you get 360. Now student, we do G part of question number 2. 180, 384 and 144. With the help of common division method, we will find the LCM. So student, see. Firstly, we see all these 3 numbers come in any table? Yes, at 2. So I will write 2 over here. Then 90, then 192, then 72. Clear? Now you see all these numbers come in any table? Yes, 2s are 2, 45s are, 96 are, then 36 are. Clear? Then you will see in 2 table any these 45, 96, 36 come? No. Only 2 numbers come, 96 and 30. So in 2 table 96 and 36 come. At 48 and 18 and 45 will be copied down as it is. Then you check again in 2 table 48 and 18 come. It comes at 24 and 9. You will copy down and 45 will copy down again. Again in 2 table 24 come. Clear? So you only one number is divisible by 2. So what do? 2 6 are 12. So you will write 6 down of 12, and 45 and 9 you will copy as it is. Clear? Now in two tables 6 come at 3s are. So you will write 3 over here, and 45 and 9 will copy down as it is. Now 45, 3 and 9. All these numbers come in one table, that is 3. So in 3 table 45 come at 15s are. In 3 table 3 come at 1s are, and 3 table 9 comes at 3s are. So you will write down. Then 15 and 3 comes in 3 table. 3 5s are 3, 1s are 3. Clear? Now in 5 table 15 come at, in 5 table 5 come at 5s are. So you write 1s are 1s are. When all numbers become 1, then you have to stop. Now you have to multiply all these numbers. When you multiply all these numbers, clear, then you will get the answer. Answer of this will be 5760. Answer will be 5760. This will be the answer of it. Clear? Now, student, for you, the homework is do question number 1, D, E, F and G part, and question number 2, D, E, F, H part of activity 4 of chapter number 6 in your maths fair notebook. Okay, student, have a nice day.